Ever wrestled with those stubborn grout lines in your bathroom or kitchen? Those dirty, discolored lines that no matter how much you scrub, just don't seem to come clean? Well, you're not alone. Grout lines can be notoriously difficult to clean, but don't despair. With the right technique and a bit of patience, you can bring those grout lines back to life. First, gather your tools. You're going to need a stiff bristled brush, a spray bottle, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and a bit of elbow grease. Start by mixing equal parts of baking soda and water in a bowl to form a thick paste. This paste will act as your cleaning agent. The granules of baking soda will scrub away dirt and grime, while the water helps to loosen up stubborn stains. Next, apply this paste liberally to your grout lines. You can use a toothbrush or a small grout brush for this task. The key is to make sure that the paste really gets into the grout lines. Cover them completely and let the paste sit for about 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the baking soda to penetrate the grout and break down the dirt. While the paste is doing its magic, fill your spray bottle with hydrogen peroxide. After the 10 minutes is up, spray the hydrogen peroxide directly onto the baking soda paste. The reaction between the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will fizz and bubble, lifting the dirt out of the grout lines. Now comes the elbow grease. Scrub those grout lines with your stiff bristled brush. You'll see the dirt and grime start to lift away. Rinse well with warm water and repeat the process if necessary. Finally, dry the area thoroughly with a towel or a squeegee. This is an important step, as excess moisture can lead to mold and mildew, which are not only unsightly but can also be harmful to your health. In summary, cleaning grout lines doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools and techniques, you can make your grout lines look like new again. Start by creating a paste of baking soda and water, apply it to your grout lines and let it sit for 10 minutes. Spray with hydrogen peroxide, scrub with a stiff bristled brush, and rinse with warm water. Always remember to dry the area thoroughly to prevent mold and mildew. So, the next time you're faced with dirty grout lines, don't despair. Armed with the right knowledge, you can tackle this task with ease and confidence. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Happy cleaning!